first Puerto Vallarta Villa Premier. You got a glob on your arm, and on your forearm, and on the other forearm. You would think she'd be an experienced screener type person. How's that?
That's better.
Okay.
I think you're in. I came upstairs. Joe and I were going to nap at the pool, but I could just not get comfortable. But I want to bear witness that he has no such issue. There he is.
I'm gonna go and take a little trip down on the beach and show you what it looks like. So supposedly this property right here, back there, is a sister property of Villa Premier. Nice little mini yacht.
Hola.
How are you?
How are you?
What'd you say about seeing your friends?
I said, it's right there. We're so close. I said, we're living large. Another little senior frog shop. It's not the restaurant. You want to walk down there?
Huh?
You want to walk down there or
Sure.
no?
Restaurant's on the water.
Yeah.
There's another one.
Yeah, that other one looks better. That's Senior Frogs.
So they have
there's
two
two.
restaurants and a gift shop.
Store, and there's probably another
store.
one and another one.
Oh, this is where they do that. Oh, here, they're getting dressed to do it.
What do they do?
I think they climb that thing.
Oh.
They perform.
Oh, there's 4 ropes.
Yeah.
I think this is just intended to be built up. Oh, it looks like there's another one pole down there.
Oh, yeah. That's pretty. Look, from here, it's
Yeah, really beautiful.
it's hard to get the photo without the
lights.
The street lights, yeah.
Yeah.
Light's an issue.
Yeah.
You gotta go beyond it somehow, or come from the other side.
Yeah.
I know, because
Or get up on this roof.
There you go.
That's
We'll give
pretty
you a
beautiful.
lift if you want one.
Ding dong. Ding dong. Ding dong. Ready? Doing karaoke.
Is he?
Yeah, there's 3 people in there. Guy with the mic and two of his friends.
It's kind of like when we were in Belize and
Yeah.
Placencia.
Going up again. Oh my gosh. Oh, do you want to get some gelato?
I'm so full.
No?